Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to set Focus Assist to priority-only mode in Windows 10. Focus Assist is a powerful feature that helps you stay focused and avoid distractions by filtering out unnecessary notifications. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to easily configure Focus Assist to priority-only mode. Let's get started. Step 1. First, press the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu. Step 2. In the Start menu, you'll find the Settings app. Click or tap on it to open the settings. Step 3. Within the Settings app, you'll see various categories. Look for the System category and click or tap on it to access system settings. Step 4. In the System settings, locate and click or tap on the Focus Assist option on the left side of the window. This will open the Focus Assist settings on the right side. Step 5. To set Focus Assist to priority only mode, you'll notice different options. Click or tap on the Priority Only option to enable it. This will ensure that only important notifications and alerts will be allowed through. Step 6. Congratulations. You have successfully set Focus Assist to Priority Only mode in Windows 10. You can now close the Settings app if you prefer. By enabling Focus Assist in Priority Only mode, you'll have a more productive and focused workflow, as distractions will be kept at bay. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a distraction-free computing experience with Focus Assist in Windows 10.